Here's how to watch football matches live on your mobile device. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Sky Sports. Open the official Sky Sports website. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the page and select Sports, then choose Football. This will take you to the football section, where you can browse the latest news, fixtures, and live matches. Scroll down until you reach the list of upcoming football games. Tap the match you want to watch to open its details. If the event is available for live streaming, you'll see the viewing options provided by Sky Sports. To access the live stream, you'll need an active Sky Sports subscription or a Sky Sports Pass. Select Get Sky Sports or the available pass option. Then follow the prompts to purchase a membership if you don't already have one. After your subscription is activated, sign in with your account and return to the match page to start watching the live stream on your mobile device. Keep in mind that match availability depends on your region and your subscription plan, so some games may require a specific package to watch live. That's all for this video. Thanks.